And the first win in 6 games, are you relieved to finally get that 3 points?
I'm relieved that we've got a win off the back of the performances that we've been putting in for the last 5 or 6 games, whatever it's been. So, and the boys have thoroughly deserved it. The truth is the game should have been out of sight by half time. It wasn't. Barri are the team that they are. They keep fighting. They got their goal, and luckily for us, we go and stick a set piece away, a corner away to win the game.
You had the luxury of seeing 2 penalties missed as well and still winning the game.
Well, we've kept missing penalties, and the penalties that we've missed have contributed to us losing points. So yeah, listen, we're just chuffed. Listen, Alex is brave enough to get up there and take them and lead it as he's done. You've stuck him away in the past. His performance on the back line today was outstanding, along with the others. So it is what it is.
Steve, a 12-game unbeaten run was going to come to an end at some point, but are you disappointed with the manner of the defeat today?
Yeah, of course I am. We've lost the game against a better team on the day. They were better than us. I look at the start of the game, we never started, and give Britain fair credit. I thought they played well, and were bright on us.
A word about Ollie Anderson. He won 2 penalties, he scored the winning goal, he's been in good form of late.
Well, he's a fantastic youngster at the club. Everybody knows now that we produce these youngsters, and we've got more sitting on the bench today, just waiting for their moments to come. Ollie's been progressing brilliantly over these last 4 or 5 months, and he's having his moment. He's been patient, he's been understanding, he's been learning, and he's now having his moment, and he's been fantastic. I think that's 3 goals in 4 games for him, so that's top draw.
Ollie, that's your first win in 6 games. What's the feeling like in the dressing room there? Is it relief?
Oh, bouncing, yeah, it's just relief mainly. We've had a couple of draws on the bounce, good performances, but just not getting the 3 points, and chuffed today to get the 3 points, definitely.
Did you feel you deserved it on that performance?
100%. The boys battled for 90 minutes and really stuck in the hard work, and just chuffed to bits, definitely.
You've been defensively strong for weeks and weeks on end now, but was that a weak point for you today, perhaps?
Well, it's funny. I look, like I say, it's 12 games unbeaten, and the amount of clean sheets that we've had within that run, I think we had about 10. And we've probably made more poor decisions today than we have in those 10 games. But it happens. Football, there's no reason behind it. I look at it. Was it the sort of pre-game sort of, not rigmarole, but in terms of was it on, was it off? Nobody knew. We delayed. It looked like it affected us a lot more than them, but it shouldn't. We're playing the game. But yeah, it happens, and there's no reason behind it. We prepare, we're confident, but just today we had off day. We just got on with it now. It's how we bounce back now, and how we respond on the weekend.